how to deposit funds into your PrizePicks account. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to deposit your funds in your PrizePicks account. So make sure to watch this video till the end. I'll show you the entire process. So in order to deposit your funds in your PrizePicks account, you will have these three options as you can see on your screen. So you have payment method available like credit or debit card, instant bank transfer, PayPal and Apple Pay. So let's see one by one that how you will be able to deposit money through each of them. So if you're using your Visa or credit or debit card, so you have to click on the Visa or Discovery tab on the PrizePicks deposit page. Then you have to enter your Visa and Discovery card information like your card number, CVC number and expiry date, and then just complete your deposit process. And if you're using instant bank transfer, so for that you need to input your deposit account and click on instant bank transfer, and it will take you to the new secure window where you have to select your bank and type in your online banking username and password. And after that, just select the bank account you would like to connect to your PrizePicks account. And after that, verify all the information and check whether they are correct or not, and then click on confirm deposit. So this is the most quick, easy and secure process. And if you're using your PayPal balance, then you have to navigate to the PrizePicks deposit page and then click on PayPal tab. And after that, just deposit your selected amount using your PayPal account. And if you're using your Apple Pay, you need to click on Apple Pay, and after that just mention your Apple ID and then complete the deposit process. So this is basically how you will be able to deposit your funds in your PrizePicks account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.